Hi everybody, and good afternoon or good morning or good evening, whatever it is. I am shooting this video from Calgary in Alberta, in Canada. I came here this week to participate at the workshop RAPID, which stands for Radiation and Air Pollutant Induced Disease Prevention and Early Detection. So the workshop is organized by the group of Dr. Aaron Gudarzi from University of Calgary. And the idea is to bring together experts concerning an interdisciplinary research that covers different topics from environmental pollutants like radon, alpha radiation, and other type of airborne hazard exposures. The participants in the workshop that will last the next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday this week, are stakeholders coming from the government, researchers, and of course the industry. What's the goal of the workshop? Well, the goal is to improve the communication strategies on these matters, discuss future projects, and put together the most advanced and latest research on these topics here in Canada. I will be posting videos the next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. And on Wednesday, I will have the opportunity to present radon. And particularly, I will talk about how important it is to have digital instruments of very high quality to provide the data researchers need for their different investigations, and how to use high quality radon data. So please stay tuned, and thank you very much to the organizers for bringing me here and inviting me to participate in this workshop. So a big hello from Canada, and have a very good evening. Bye bye.